Hello and welcome to DNA's Garage, and today I'm gonna be working on my Ka24de, but the weather is not the best. It's a little bit of rain, a little bit of sun. That's why they call it the Sunshine State. But we're gonna continue on. I'm gonna be filming from my GoPro since it's waterproof, and I'm gonna be leaving my camera inside. And I got the engine all covered up, and so far I got the timing done. And if you guys want to see the timing, so there's going to be that little dot right there on the crankshaft, and that's the first dot, and then it gets aligned with the idle sprocket right here, and then this is the short side of the chain. This way it can be this tension, and can apply tension to this right here. And then on the top, both of the cams have to be at 12, and then it goes on both of the outside ones, and also the lobes will be pointing out before each stroke. So we're gonna be installing the timing cover today, putting some RVT and putting it back on, and saying goodbye to all of this because everything's getting covered up. All right, let's get started. Alright, so the rain keeps on getting worse, and I'm not going to risk it and get some water in the engine, so I just put it away for now. And I got it all covered, and I got the umbrella on top. But let's see if tomorrow I can get some work done. So today is a new day and it's a sunny one, so we're going to be installing this midsection oil pan, and I already got the turbo return right there. Since this is really hard to get while this is the engine's in the car, I already pre-installed it, and I'm just gonna put the return line up, and it could be as a vent for now, and then when I decide to put the turbo in, I can just put it on. And this is threaded in, so it's not gonna come in, it's not gonna come out, I mean. So let's get ready to lay down the RTV. So there it is, it's all done, the bottom half, other than the oil pan, because I'm not going to be using the oil pan that came with this engine. This is a separate engine. I'm going to be using the one that's on the car right now. But the bottom half is done, and I'm excited because this engine is going to be lots of fun within the car, and especially since it's going to be turboed, it's going to be lots of fun. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'm going to be posting more videos every Monday for the rest of the year, so stay tuned.